it is time to announce my skincare giveaway winner. Stay tuned to find out. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Make It With Mecca. I am your host, Mecca. So today's video is gonna be really short. I am sick as a dog. I don't know if you guys can tell or not. My nose is stuffed up. My skin is horrible. I'm really sick. So aside from that, I wanted to make a video for you guys so you guys know I was on vacation during the last 2 weeks. I went to Florida. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you'll see all my pictures. I was in Florida, so I did not have time to make the giveaway video. With that being said, I'm gonna announce the winner today. So I do know in my giveaway video, you guys do know I was undecided between 1 and 2 winners. I think I'm just gonna go with 1 winner, and then I am going to have a 1,000 subscriber giveaway, and then you guys can get another chance to enter that, and you guys can win some skincare products. So with that being said, with today's short video ending really soon, today's winner is Grace Leone. So I love Grace, like everything about her is amazing. She messaged me on Twitter, she offered to do this and that. Like, she's a really nice subscriber. She's always commenting on my videos. She's always, I think she's on Instagram as well. But I always see her comments and I always try to respond to her. So she's a really great subscriber that I've come to appreciate in the last few weeks. So I'm really happy that Grace could win these gifts. So Grace, if you come to collect your prize, go message me. My email is in my description box. Go shoot me an email and oh, you guys can hear my nose stuffed up. Shoot me an email and we will get your prizes sought out. And then Grace, I need you to post it on your Instagram so I can talk about it and everybody knows that you got your gifts. So that is it for this video, guys. If you guys are sad that you didn't win, it's perfectly fine to be upset. I will have a 1,000 subscriber giveaway in the next 2 weeks, so you guys can enter that and you guys can stay tuned and you might win that, so you might get more skincare gifts. So with that being said, I'm gonna go get unsick, hopefully, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!